Anybody here go shopping? I woke up. Nobody here go shopping. Okay. You know, let's try. Let's make a little bit. So to the people that sang rock star, to the people that wanted to sing, but all of a sudden this voice in their head makes up a story about my voice, my this, my that, blah, blah, blah. How's that voice been working? You know, the voice that didn't say you have a long train today, get up and do like a nice healthy walk. The voice that, you know, justified all the carbs you stuffed down your throat about 15 minutes ago, all the danishes and this and that, because some story about eating energy, right? You know, because we're doing jumping jacks with never today. Is that what it is? Okay. Hey, at least you're responsible. Some people don't even realize it. We make up a lot of stories. So imagine you're going to a department store or whatever. You go to a place, you want to buy some clothing. You get 2 articles of clothing. First thing you do, you look at the price. The price has to make sense, unless you want to make yourself feel bad, which there are people that do that. They're going to go in and I can't afford this, wow, this and that, but obviously it's everybody else's fault. Anybody ever meet somebody that likes to complain? If they're next to you, do not look at them. She's like, look, miss, going like that is the same thing, okay? I just wanted to let you know. And can you imagine if there's nothing to complain about? You can like read a book, like go take an art class, go for a walk, adopt a puppy, get into a relationship. I mean, literally take on your dreams and go, oh, whatever, blah, 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 somebody's voice, and I'm just going to be quiet, whatever, do it. So we make up all these stories in our minds, and these are the stories we make up. We make up things about what's happening, and we think that it's real. You go into the dressing room, you try on the first article of clothing, it fits right, it looks good, you see it in the mirror, how long does it take you to make a decision you're going to buy it? Once you know the price is right, it looks good and it fits good. How long does it take? 2 seconds, okay. Someone just went, it takes 1 second. Someone's like 5 seconds. Right. And you're arguing with each other, but you from me. Then you take the next article of clothing. So the first piece of clothing, right, you're going to keep it, so you hang it instead of throwing it on the floor. And the second piece of, oh, do I only do that? Okay, I'm sorry. So, I'm kidding about that. I actually think about other people and that person bending down, hurting themselves. I really do, because most people, they bend down using none of their legs, and let me engage my lower back that I never work out as much as possible, but obviously it's something else's fault. So you try on the second article of clothing, and then you look this way, and it feels a little snug, and you look this way, and you go, oh, I didn't see that bump before. How long does it take you not to buy that article of clothing? 2 seconds. But both times, for you to get a real opinion on it, not just something made up in the mind, you have to do what? Try it on.